today we're gonna show you Blackbird Angry Birds. This is eyeballs is very angry, and we're gonna show you the eggs. How's the eggs? Okay, now I have this design for the bird, and he goes shoot around, and his power is shoot, and he bombs, and the pigs is 10 points. So he have a black body part and a beak. His beak is so actually his beak is very beaky, and his wings is look funny, and Blackbird is very funny because Blackbird don't have wings. So that is our Blackbird video. I hope you like that. Click your button for more videos and subscribe. Bye.